Hello and welcome back, team. So since my last video, Bitcoin has had a huge move towards the upside, and of course here at BitTrading we have been on the right side of the market because we have been in two amazing long positions. So in today's video we will talk about those two long positions, and I will also talk through where I think the price is now going to go. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and make sure that you watch this video up until the end because I will be giving you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. Jumping on into the charts then, as we can see, since the last video that I made for you guys, which was around here, just under $60,000, we have had another huge move towards the upside. And of course, here at BitTrading, we have been on the correct side of the market because we have been in some really profitable long positions. So if we take a look at the Visionary Discord, I did actually give the team a long setup that I was going to be taking. This was on the 21st of February, okay? We took a TP2 at the low of the range on the short position that we were in, and then we entered into a new long setup for me, like I said to the team right here. So I showed the team the setup here, okay, and you can see that we had an SFP of the range low with bullish CVD and open interest. So this gave me that confidence to enter into a long position and be targeting higher prices. And as of yesterday, I updated the team on the long position that we entered into and the original long position that we entered into at around $42,000 as well. So as you can see, as price was tapping $64,000, okay, that new long position that we entered into was in over 526% in a profit. So an extremely profitable trade. As you can see here, entry was at $51,000. When we took another TP, it was at $64,000. And the original long position that we had entered into is now in over 3,000% in a profit. So this is one of our most profitable trades that we have ever taken. As you can see here, entry price $41,865. When I took another TP off the table, okay, we were at $64,000. So these have been some extremely profitable trades for myself and the team here at BitTrading. And of course, I gave all of these setups to the team here on the Visionary Discord, or like I always do. If you want access to this, first link in the description or the pinned comment, it will take you over to this page here where you can gain access to that Visionary Discord and the education that we have for you there as well. So make sure you take full advantage of that. So yeah, I've been very bullish on the price of Bitcoin for around 4 weeks now, where prior to that we were in a short position, okay, and nevertheless it was a very profitable short position, okay. This was the previous short position that we were in, and it was valid for me to be short on the price of Bitcoin here because we did get a big move towards the downside, and it was a very profitable short position, okay. We then entered into a long position. We then established that Bitcoin was actually looking very bullish down here. So we entered into a long position, okay. And what have we been doing? Well, we've been riding this long all the way up to the new yearly highs, taking us all the way up to $64,462 to be exact on the Bybit chart. But now what we want to know is, where is price going to go next? Where is the higher probability direction for Bitcoin? So that's what I want to talk about in this video. Now, we don't have enough data on the lower time frame charts, as you can very clearly see here. We are now not going into price discovery, but kind of going into price discovery because we haven't been at these prices for a very long time, okay. So it is kind of like price discovery for Bitcoin at this moment in time, but well, especially on the shorter time frames, just to specify that. But if we go on to the weekly chart, okay, we can very clearly see here on the weekly chart that we are forming a very clearly identifiable range. Okay, we have range high all the way up at all-time high at just under 70,000, and then we have the range low at the low of the bear market at around $15,400 to be approximate. Okay, so let's just get rid of this parallel channel here. So we are getting very close to those all-time highs. Now, where do I expect Bitcoin to go from here? Because, you know, we're not really coming into any major resistance as of yet, and any major resistance that we were coming into, we have now just smashed through it. Okay, well, for this I need to pull up the fixed range that I pulled from the start of this parallel channel, this range here, to where we currently are now. And as we can see, we have a very clear value area high, we have a very clear POC, and we have a very clear value area low. And price is actually above the value area high. And for me right now, and my sentiment on Bitcoin is still looking very bullish. I still think that we can actually go to all-time highs, and we can get there pretty quickly, okay? Not in 1 2-hour candle, okay? No, I don't think it will happen that quickly, okay? But in terms of, you know, the weekly, the monthly, I think in that next candle we could possibly be tapping all-time high. Now, why is this? Okay, well, we are above value area high, and when we are above a value area high, the higher probability scenario is that we are going to see a continuation towards the upside all the way up to the high of the range, which, like I said, is at all-time high at just under $70,000. So for me right now, I am looking for all-time highs. I am targeting all-time highs. The next level I'm expecting Bitcoin to move to, or the next major level I'm expecting Bitcoin to move to, is all-time highs. Okay, so that is what I'm looking for. It's very simple. So what am I doing with my trades? Okay, what am I doing with this long position here, which is in over 526% in a profit? And what am I doing with this trade here that's in over 3,000% in a profit? Well, I'm holding these trades open. I'm remaining long and chill and just expecting higher prices, okay? Because like I said, we are above the value area high. Now, if we were to lose the value area high, okay, pretty quickly, okay, if we were to lose this value area high, then I would be targeting lower prices. It's very simple. I would then be looking for that POC, where from there we can reevaluate, is price looking bullish? Can we look for those all-time highs again? Okay, can we be targeting the all-time highs again? Or if we lose this, are we then going to start targeting the value area low, which would be extremely bearish? But I don't expect this, okay? We're in the bull market now. We know this, okay? And because we're above that value area high, my target is very simple, and you know, I'm sure it makes a lot of you very happy. I am looking for all-time highs, and that is why I'm remaining long and chill on the price of Bitcoin, entering into no short positions as of yet. You know, coming into all-time highs, that's when we can start considering, okay, a larger short position. If we see the bearish reaction, the bearish confirmation, the bearish confluence up there, then we could possibly be looking for a short position, yes, but we have to see all those confirmation factors before even considering entering into a short position, because remember, we are in a bull market, okay? Now, for entering into short positions, for you traders out there like myself, in this current market situation, I am going to enter into short positions. I am going to hedge, okay, on my long positions. Why is that? Well, simple, okay? I want to be making more Bitcoin by shorting Bitcoin, okay? It's very simple. So if I do see a short opportunity, whether that's a day trading short opportunity or just a scalp trading short opportunity, I am going to take it. I don't care, I will take it, okay? I know I see some people in the comments saying, why am I shorting Bitcoin? Well, I am a day trader and I am a swing trader as well. So, you know, I like to short because it just means that I am you know, I'm just collecting more Bitcoin, which is ultimately good for my HODL portfolio, if you think about it like that. So for me, entering into a short position is, you know, something that I am still going to do, but I am remaining cautious. I am remembering that we are in a long position, we are in a bull market, okay, and we do have to be cautious. But if the short setup presents itself, I'm not going to hesitate. I will take that short position. But of course, taking that TP1 pretty quickly, moving the stop loss to entry, making it a risk-free trade, because especially in this market, when you're shorting, you want to take all of the risk out as soon as you can. So take the TP1. Okay, move that stop loss to entry, making it a completely risk-free trade. But where I'm sat right now is long and chill, looking for higher prices, not looking for any shorts as of yet, because I don't see any short setups presenting themselves to me. Okay, just expecting higher prices. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. On the open interest, on the CVD, we are looking slightly bearish, but I'm not too worried about that. We're not at a major level, and we're not forming anything bearish on the chart here. So for me right now, I'm not too interested in this. Okay, the majority of the time, what we're seeing right now is probably a lot of long positions actually taking profit, but also we are seeing silly money entering into short positions, and this is what it's going to be. So for me right now, I'm not entering into any short positions, just remaining long and chill. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. If you want access to this Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away, as you can see, some extremely profitable trades here, then make sure you click the first link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to, like I said, this page here, okay, where you can gain access to the Visionary Discord and, of course, the education we have for you there as well. The free Discord is in the description as well, so you can sign up to that, but you don't get access to the setups that I am taking. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, team. That is me signing off, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the Visionary Discord or in the next video. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.